Well, bro, you must develop a reading culture because the average CEO, the average rich person reads at least 50 books a year. So you gotta read. You gotta read. The average person reads about one book, 1.5 books a year. And these people have dominated to the top. The rich are becoming more richer simply because they know more things than the average person. They take time every day. They take time to read. The likes of Warren Buffett take 6 hours reading new things, learning new things. You've got to move out of the day more wiser than when you entered it. So you need to read. Remember, readers are leaders. So what are you waiting? If you want to get more, if you want more success, if you want to prosper, then you've got to read. You've got to read things that are in line. Don't just read anything, but read things that are in line with what you want.